Hey everybody, Lester and I are just out here on a little walk, and I wanted to remind you that my October Zoom fiddle workshops are going to be starting up this Saturday. I'm doing 2 Zoom workshops every month, and you can subscribe and just have autopay take care of it, or just, come in every month if you decide you want to do it. And 1 week out of the month, one of those Saturdays, we're going to be learning a really cool solo from an awesome bluegrass fiddle player, and the other week we're going to be doing warm-ups and technique and exercise stuff to really work on your skills. So you can go to FiddleStar.com and click on Learn to Play the Fiddle. There's a drop-down menu for Bluegrass Skill Builder workshops, and you don't have to attend live. We're gonna, we record everything, so I just send it out to you. So even if you can't be there with us live, that's cool. You can do it at your own pace, or you can use the recording to do it over again and kind of use it as your fiddle aerobics workout. So I hope you join me. Bluegrass Skill Builder workshops for fiddle, and the October one's coming soon. See you soon.